Hi everyone, my name is Bopanna. I'm basically from Coorg. I'm a BA graduate in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Uh, I gain overall of 7 years experience in IT technical support domain. I started pursuing data science with Nucot Technologies. Nucot is a Bangalore-based IT solutions providing company, helping the young careers in data science, machine learning, Python, AI, and also automation and manual testing as well. This is a very good opportunity for me to start my career in Nucot, and I would like to thank trainer Hema ma'am. It's been 15-20 days, and since I'm new to coding, it was really very helpful to get knowledge from Hema ma'am. He really teaches in a simple way where I was able to understand the modules from 𝑵𝒓𝒂𝒊𝒏𝒊𝒏𝒈 and pandas, and I was able to do the exploratory data analysis, where data has to be analyzed, and we need to work on data using the coding techniques. Since I'm new to coding, I was able to understand. I'll definitely have to work on it a little more. So it was going well until now, and I would also like to thank for all the support from the project manager Sandeep sir, Rashmi ma'am, and I would also like to thank Ashwini ma'am and Karunya. And thank you, Nucot, and looking forward to for a better career with data science. Thank you.